Good morning, good morning, good morning. Good morning, everybody. All right, we got some heavy news today. Supposedly heavy news. So, we will see. We shall see. Same setup from yesterday, and I missed the drop here. Ooh, what time did this happen? This happened at 6. Heavy drop here on gold. Did AU do the same thing? Yeah. A lot of bearish momentum this morning. A lot of bearish momentum this morning. Man, these are some nice drops here. Ooh, look at that. Beautiful break. Gone. So let's see. Let's see if we're gonna get a pullback here. Okay. Trace back into that area. This all happened before news. This was all before news. Oops. Oh, yes. Congratulations. My cousin just got funded with Top Tier Trader. Congratulations. Wow, just made my whole morning. Yes. Congratulations, cuzzo. Let's go. We're in the money. Everybody give a congrats to my cousin for getting funded, passing his top tier trader challenge. If you want to get a top tier account, use the link in the description box of this video and you might get a discount. I don't know. We'll see. Congrats, man. Congrats. Congratulations. Yes. Because passing challenges ain't easy, guys. It's not easy. I'm sure many of you know. And take a picture of all these congratulations, send it to him. Hey, yes. All right. Yes. Appreciate it, guys. Appreciate it. So I apologize for not going live yesterday. Had a rough weekend, so. But you guys know I always bounce back, right? I always pull myself out of a funk, right? Always. It's usually about a 24-hour bug, usually, right? It's about a 24-hour bug that I have. And then it usually goes away. I let something bug me for 24 hours and then I bounce back. You know, you gotta bounce back. You can't let things break you. You can't let people break you. You can't let people hurt you, take advantage of you, you know, make you feel like you're not anything. All that good stuff, right? Yeah, always gotta bounce back. Hurts a little bit And then after that, you feel a little better, right? Sometimes you just got to rip off the Band-Aid and keep it pushing. So today is going to be a good day, right? Woke up with a positive attitude, positive mindset. Got some nice wins yesterday. You know, even though I was feeling some type of way yesterday, I was still able to get on the charts and to get some kind of setup. So the reason why I didn't go live, but I still took trades. So people were like, hey, you know, even if, you know, if you're not feeling well or something is going on, you know, you usually say not to get on the charts and not to trade, which is very true. You don't want to do that. You don't want to trade when your head you're not focused, when you're not 100%, you know, laser focused on what you're doing. The difference is, you know, when I'm trading by myself, guys, I don't really have there's an element of psychological issue that I don't have with trading by myself as opposed to actually trading, you know, live. You know what I mean? Because when I'm live with you guys, I'm not just trading. I have to analyze. I have to, you know, mentally go through things on the charts. I have to pay attention to the chat. I have to answer questions. I have to. And then I'm doing other stuff. I'm returning text messages. I'm returning emails. I'm taking phone calls sometimes. So it's just a lot going on at once. But my overall, quote unquote, undivided attention has to be towards you guys because I'm live. I can't just do what I'm doing and just ignore you guys the whole time, you know? So, and then on top of that, I got to make sure that I get myself a win, if anything, because I don't want to be doing all that and then taking losses, because that adds another element of stress to it. So that's why I didn't go live. I didn't want to, you know, I didn't want to stress myself out more than I already was with everything that I had going on. So when you guys don't see me go live, mostly it's either because I'm just busy, I got a lot going on, or there's things I got to handle or something I got to deal with or whatever it is. And trust me, it's best that I don't go live on those days. All right. So I'll try to keep on being as consistent as I can on here. I know how much these lives help you guys. So I'm going to do my best to continue to do them as much as possible so you guys can get all the help that you need out of them. All right. So with that being said, let's get started. Let's get started here. Gold made a nice little drop between London session and this morning. Very nice setups. I ain't gonna lie, very nice setups. I'm really hoping that New York gives us something. We do have some heavy news dropping at 10 o'clock, so we're gonna be cognizant of that. Let's see. Yeah, we gotta be cognizant of that. The downside to news, guys, is a lot of the news that comes out is like USD news mostly, and it affects USD pairs. And the sucky part is all of the pairs that I trade are USD, you know, XAU, USD, AUD, USD, US30, and on occasion GBP, USD. So it's like, damn, we can't really get any reprieve because all the pairs that I trade are USD, are US pairs. So so yeah, gotta take it for what it is, you know. All right. All right. Excuse me, guys. A little tired here. All right. So, can we just take a minute to appreciate the structure here on gold? Look at this beautiful, beautiful structure here. Oh my God. This is excellent. This is nice. Why did this have to come during London? Why? How come this couldn't come for New York? Just disrespectful, man. Disrespectful. Just this beautiful structure. Look at that tap right there. Oh, love it. I don't know. Sometimes, man, sometimes I be wanting to just switch over to London because it's like, sheesh, you know? London always get these nice setups. It's crazy. We're gonna see. Come on, guys, let's get the likes up. 400 people watching, only 93 likes. We even cracked 100 likes. What's up with that? What's up with that? US30. What is the trade idea for today? We don't have one, buddy. We don't have one yet. Patience, my young one. Patience. Patience, my young one. Okay, okay. Gold is melting, honey. It's melting.
Why did you message me if you were not ready to discuss? Come on. Come on. Charlene, come to Asia? What's in Asia? What's in Asia for me? What is in Asia? Are you still using your old strategy or did you switch to the new one? Understand, guys, what the word strategy means. It's just a tool that you're using. I didn't change my style of trading. I only added a tool. That's it. So there's no switching back and forth. It's just a tool. So to answer your question, I'm not doing anything different than I was doing before. Okay. Hope that answers your question. Oops. Do you feel like US30 will change trend and go up to 955 candle area? I'm actually in a buy with a target area. Do you feel like US30 will change trend and go up? Okay, milli bag mindset. I wouldn't give me a time for a candle. I would give me a price for that candle, not a time. I'm actually in a buy with that target area. US30 is in a big range from this high to this low down here. If you look at it on the 4-hour time frame, we're kind of just trending in this box here. We're not really pushing up or pushing down. So we did have this triple top up here. We have this retest of this area here. If I had to guess, I don't know. Probably could go down, could go up, I don't know. You trade similar to Doyle? No, I don't. No, I don't. Y'all always bring him up on my live streams. Every day somebody mentions him on my live stream. We don't trade alike at all, actually. I use Fib. He doesn't use Fib. We do many things differently. So, no, we don't trade alike. Plenty of other traders who trade supply and demand. So, just saying. Gold better go up, because this big drop here, shoot, we better go up. We better go up. I'd actually prefer to see gold go up. And if I see rejection in this area, for sure I'm taking the buys. I'm taking the buys on up. On US30, what is your target? I have no target on US30. I'm not in any kind of trade on US30. I don't have any target. What do you think about buys right now on gold? I think I would wait for some more candle rejection in this area. I don't think this is enough rejection in this area to take an early buy. Whenever the market is trending in a certain direction, guys, and you're looking to take the opposite direction trade, you want to wait for as many confirmations as possible. So right now, would I take a buy right here? No, absolutely not. Okay, we're making lower lows, lower highs. Okay, what if you took, well, this is the same structure right here. What if you took buys right here? As soon as this candle started pumping, you wouldn't have been up too much. Price would have came right back down on you. Okay, you want to wait for multiple rejections, and then once you get a certain break of a certain level, then you want to look for your trade at that point. Where price is now, we're sitting in a very precarious area. We're very close to the daily low. Daily low is a strong zone. We're also sitting in a demand zone down here. So what I'd like to see is for price to potentially reject the demand, push up, give me a bullish closure, a nice retest, and some sort of continuation signal. But if not, I can't take that. I have to wait. You know, that's just me. We all trade differently. We all look at the markets differently. If you want to take a buy here, you're more than welcome if you have your own confirmations that you go off of. So it's all based off how you trade, how you look at the markets, and what your own confirmations are. Building permits, new home sales, CB consumer, their markets. Okay, so the end of that comment made no sense. So I can't answer that question. I know that there's a language barrier sometimes. You guys are watching this from many parts of the world. So I don't mind it. But if I can't understand what you're saying, I can't answer your question. Unfortunately. So, sorry. See what AU is doing here? Could you take a buy here? You could, but it's risky because where's your stop loss? Your stop loss could be down here, or it could be down here somewhere. It can be way below that demand zone. You don't really know. We have this support to the left here. Price is in an iffy spot. I would wait for price to break, potentially retest maybe this supply up here, maybe come down, and then give you the overall move to come into this area here. Who knows? I'd like to see AU come down a little more, but I just hate when I come to the markets and I see a gigantic move. It's like, man, you know, and it's not that I missed the move that I'm upset about. It's that it makes the next setup that much harder, because are you going against the trend? Are you going with the trend? You know, it makes it that much harder. I'd rather catch the move before it, you know, see a setup before it happens sometimes. You know what I mean? So. Hey, good morning, Charlene. Not sure if you mentioned it earlier, but how did the strategy session go this past weekend? I can't wait to get a chance to join. It went well. It went well. It went well. A lot of excitement. The first day was part of the first day was the new strategy. The second day was something like a bonus that I added to it to help out with the first strategy, so that if the strategy doesn't present itself, then you still have a chance to find opportunities for trades by looking at the markets in a different way. So that was a bit of a bonus that I added in there, and the members of that class were they were more excited about the bonus than they were about the strategy, which is pretty cool. Both of them work really well, and they work well together. It just teaches you how to look at the markets a little bit differently, to find setups all the time, high probability setups, and to give you more confidence to take those setups as well. And I show you how to look for entries, how to take the entries, what to wait for, how to mark your zones off, to look for those entries, all that good stuff. So I think the second day was better than the first day. Actually, we had a lot more excitement in the second day than the first day, for sure, which was really great. Everybody left the class very happy, very excited. Money well spent is what they said. Money well spent. So I cannot wait to see how successful they are with looking at the markets this way now. You know. So you see this, what's happening here? This is what I want to see on gold. I want to see a nice push away from this area, a nice push, maybe even a break of a certain highs. For instance, this area right here would be excellent. If I see price break above this area here, I'd like to see it. Most likely we're going to probably continue up if we can get a retest of that zone and push up here. But I want to see us push away from this bottom area here. Push away. We're too close to it now. We need to push out of it. So if we can push out of it, that's going to be excellent there. It's 8:15. I don't think we have news until what, 10? Yeah, news is at 10, so we have time. Very nice push here. Excellent, very nice here. 8:15. So we have a new candle that's about to open up. Or was this the new candle? Oh, it is a new candle. Yep, it is the new candle. So let's see if we can get a closure above this area. Can we get a closure above this area? A nice next candle retest, and then look for the buys to continue up. Just keep swimming, just keep swimming. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Let's go, let's go. I'm not entering on this candle, guys. I'm going to wait for this candle to close. I want to be sure, because look at these candles, right? This one, tap, 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 and then drop, right? So you don't want to get in it and watch it wick out on you and then start tumbling on down, all right? Always wait for your candles to close. Don't get excited when you see it pumping in a certain direction. You feel like you got to jump in, especially on gold. Especially on gold. You want to wait, okay? So stuff like that doesn't happen to you. All right, don't be afraid of missing the move. There's always another opportunity coming. All right, glad to have you back today. Thank you, thank you. I was looking to scalp up to, but thank you for your insight. Thank you for that. I just retired, 25-year law enforcement, looking to tackle trading. Awesome, awesome. Congratulations on your retirement. Made it out of the rat race. Congratulations. The wait list for the next class is going to open up this Thursday. All right, this Thursday, just see my Instagram at the bottom of the screen there, and you can apply if you'd like to apply. And that will be, it's not a registration, it's just a wait list. That's all. So if you want to join it, just apply when the link opens up. 2 minutos. 2 minutos. What's AU doing? AU is pushing up here. Didn't quite come down to this area here, which is a little, would have liked to see it do that. It probably still could. Probably still could come down there. But we'll see. We'll wait and see. We shall wait and see.
The only thing that makes me nervous about this area here is that we have a supply sitting right here. We do have a supply sitting here where price has already tapped into. Could we do this? And then that's also a possibility as well. So we're gonna wait and see. Let me see something. Yeah. We're going to wait. When day in the life vlog? I don't know. All right, this is definitely going to close up here. I don't see it pulling back in the next 10 seconds. We got a closure above this area here. Retest of that area to the T actually. Let's see. Oh, I need to look at this real quick.
Yay, let's go, let's go. Beautiful. Let's go. Oh, yes. Who does not understand why I took this trade? Right? I said I wanted a closure above this area. I wanted to see price retest. I put my zone right there. We had a wick retest and a push. Yes? Does everybody understand why I took this trade? Come on, come on. 65K. What should I go for? How many pips am I up right now? 35 pips? 30 pips. Just gonna hold it a little bit longer. 6K. Come on, come on, come on. Let's go, let's go. I'm not gonna be greedy today because we got news coming out, so the market's gonna be a little choppy. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go, live session, 700 watching. Let's go, let's go. Beautiful, 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 beautiful trade. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. All we do is win on my lives, yes? All we do is win, yes? Let's go, let's go, let's go. Alrighty. 6K day, not bad. Not bad. Price rejected at your support, order block multiple times, so why not enter it for a buy? Because I said that's not what I look for. That's not what I look for. That's not my confirmation. I exactly told you what my confirmations were. Yes, price rejected over here a couple times, but like I said, if you look left, you will see that we have what? Couple candles that try to break this high. I'm looking for one candle that decides to break and say, okay, good, perfect. I decided to break, retest my level, which it did, and then enter. That's it. The point is to get a win. It's not to get the most perfect entry ever. It's very hard to get sniper entries all the time, guys. It's very hard to do that. You're not looking to get sniper entries every single trade. You're just looking to win a trade. Try to get the best entry you can get based on your knowledge and your experience. And that's it. That's it. Take profit where you feel like taking profit. Do I need to hold all the way up here? No. I just closed out with 30 pips profit. Okay? Come on, guys. You guys are worried about the wrong thing. If you enter down here, guys, how do you know that price is ready to push? What if it pushes up here and then comes right on back down? I gave you guys an excellent example right before this move. This move right here. Is this not the exact same setup that happened down here? We have a drop, retest, tap, 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 drop. We have a drop, retest, drop. The market repeats itself over and over and over again. It repeats itself over and over and over again. Look for those patterns and then wait on your confirmations. I don't care. You will make more money waiting for trades than you ever will not waiting. Wait for your setups. Wait, 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 guys. If you do nothing else, wait. I promise you, you will make a ton of money waiting on moves. This entry down here, yeah, it would have been great. That would have been awesome to get an entry down here, but it's risky. It's risky. First of all, the trend is bearish. We are heavy bearish right now. For me to be looking for a buy down here, why? I don't know if the sells are done. I don't know if the sells are done. So if I don't know, I would rather err on the side of caution. and wait for as many confirmations that the market is ready to flip as possible. What time frame is this? Do you not see the 5 minute up here? I'll never understand those questions. Who's still in gold right now? I closed out both my positions. Who's still in gold? I know some of y'all are still in, because I know I got some savages that watch my live streams, and y'all take the same trades I take, but some of y'all don't be closing when I close. Y'all be holding them babies. I just want, if this hits TP, I'm gonna be happy as hell. I'm gonna be happy. I just wanted to smack TP. And guess what? We were able to get a setup before news. News is dropping at 10 o'clock. It's 8:30. So we have an hour and a half before news drops. We were able to get a nice setup. And why did I get out? When I got out, first of all, I'm good with 30 pips. That's number one. Number two, news is coming out. Whenever there's news coming out, the market start acting stupid. It start doing stuff it's not supposed to do. It moves slow sometimes. You know what I mean? It's like it does stuff that's just dumb. And it's like, all right, you know what? If I made my money for the day, let me make it and be good. So whatever happens later is whatever happens later. At the very least, you got to win. You know what I mean? So that's what that is. Damn, look at that. Look at that. Oh my God.
Let's go. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Beautiful trade. Let's go. Let's go.
Oof. Are you going to hit TP or not? Are you going to hit?
Let's go.
Are you going to hit? That's all I want to know. Let's go. Let's go. You can do it. You can do it. That's a 65 pip TP. Are we going? You can do it. Just keep swimming. Everybody say it with me. Just keep swimming. Just keep swimming. Come on. Come on. It's 8:30. Market open. Let's go. Push. Push for me. Push for mommy. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Yep. Yep. We're going. We're going. We're going. We're going. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Come on, come on. Just tap for me. Just give me one little love tap. Let's go. Oh, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. One more tap. One more push. One more push. It's gonna hit. It's gonna hit. It's gonna hit. It's gonna hit. Let's go. 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 TP smack. Let's go. Love it. Love it. Hey. 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 Let's go. 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 Is this the new strategy? Part of it. It's part of the new strategy. It's part of it. It's part of it. Let's freaking go. Oh my God. Hey, drop some fire. Drop some likes. Let me. 267 likes, guys. Come on. 267 likes. Let's come on. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. If you're not in my next class, if you're not in the next class, I don't know what to tell you. I don't know what to tell you, because every one of my students, every one of the people that made it into this class made their money back, or they're close to making their money back off this new way that I'm showing you guys how to look at the markets. It's not just one way, guys. It's going to be two ways. I added a whole nother strategy into it to help you guys find setups like this and have confidence to look for these setups. Trust me, trust me, trust me. I got you guys. I got you guys. But look at that. We came on the live stream. It hasn't even, what's it been, an hour? We've been on for an hour. We've been on for an hour, guys, and we smacked already. And guess what? We're good. We're good, because news could drop and news could do whatever it wants to do. Guess what? We already got our win for the day. Did I come to the charts and say, oh man, look at what happened with London session. Look at this market. Oh, we missed it. No, there's always another setup. There's always another setup, guys. Always, always, always another setup. Okay. Let's get the likes up, guys. Come on. It is 60 pip win today. Come on, guys. Come on. When is the new class? Where do we sign up for the new class? All right. I'm thinking. All right. Do you guys want me to drop the opening right now? Should I open up the waitlist now or should I wait till Thursday? What do you guys want me to do? Say, drop it now. Tell me if you guys want me to drop it now. If you do, I'll open it up right now and you guys can apply to get in on the waitlist. I need to know if I should drop it now or what? What y'all want me to do? So those of you that were mad at me about yesterday, about not going live yesterday and catching that gold move, I made up for it today. Here you go. I made up for it today. All right. I didn't take it by myself. And we all caught it together. Drop it now. Drop it now. All right, cool. Cool. All right, cool. Let's see. The thing is, I don't have dates for the class yet. I don't have dates yet. So here's what I'll do. I'll open up the waiting list, right? So you guys can apply. But when I send out the acceptance emails, the date of it will be in there. So if you can make it, great. And if you can't, it's okay. All right. Sounds good? Sounds good, everybody? Drop it like it's hot. Drop it like it's hot. All right, we got one wait till Thursday and we have a couple drop it nows. All right, so Ooh, gold is still flying. Jesus Christ. Oof. Oh my goodness. Yeesh. Wow. Do you trade with your own capital or funded? My own capital. Charlene, what's your top number one chart to trade? Gold. I trade, it's my main pair. All right, guys. Those of you that want to apply, it's in the chat. It's in the chat. Help yourselves. Oh, what's this?
Nearly 100,000 lives reclaimed from addiction and counting.
What are my thoughts on prop firms? I say if you're profitable, go for it. If you're profitable, go for it. So it's not even 9 o'clock yet, guys. And we have news at 10. I don't know if I'm gonna stay on till then because we got our win for the day. Don't really need much else. I don't know. Hello, dear. Do you do live daily? It's my first time here. Yes. But I think that, guys, I'm gonna start the lives at 7:30 from now on instead of 7. I think I'm gonna start it at 7:30. I think I'm gonna start at 7:30.
moderate to severe ulcerative colitis keeps flaring, put it in check with Rinvoq, a once daily pill.
When UC got unpredictable, I got rapid symptom relief with Rinvoq and left bathroom emergency behind. Check. When
Secret strategy class is 2,500. 2,500. Quick question. Do you choose to focus on gold, AU, and not pairs like GJ? Just personal preference? Yes. Yes. I'm about to start screaming like you if US30 keeps getting closer to this TP I spoke on. Just need a small impulse. Okay. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Hi, Charlene. What lot size is appropriate for a prop firm account of 5K? 0.50. 0.50. I wouldn't even go standard with that. 0.50. Unless you're a very good trader. If you're a very good trader, you could get away with standard. But if you want to maintain it, stay under the daily drawdown limit, the daily, you know, all that, I would say whatever the limit is, stay under that. So keep your risk super low. Because 5K is not a lot. It's not a big account at all. So stay under that and you'll be fine. Wow. Gold just smashed through my TP. Came all the way up to this zone that I had marked off up here. So this zone just said, no thank you. I'm coming up here for 100 pips. Go sit down somewhere with your 60 pips. We want 100 pips out here. That's what gold said. That's what gold said. I don't know. Let's go. What a win today, guys. This was awesome. This was an awesome win. This was a great entry. We waited for our confirmations. This was awesome. This was amazing. Wow. And we are gone, baby. We are taking off. Taking off. Let's go. Let's go. Can we hit up here? Can we hit up here? I don't know. Yes, go. Oof. Damn, I could have had like a 20K day today off this move if I would have held. Could have had a big day today, but it's okay. A win is a win. You feel me? Charlene, what lot size would you recommend for a 100K account? The max is like a 2 or 3 lot. That's max. Max 2 or 3 lot. Charlene, do you use MetaTrader? Who doesn't? Everybody does. That's the only one. That's the only thing we can use. MetaTrader. Thank you, Charlene. I made another 2K. You're so welcome. You're so welcome. And the class is 25. So you made 2K with me today. The class is 25. You're going to make your money back. Because the way I teach you how to look at the markets now, guys, it's going to be incredible. Increíble. Increíble. Gold did its thing today. Facts. Gold looks like it's going to 1997. I think so. I think it will go to 97. At least, I think it's going to tap the 96 area. I don't know if it's going to hit the 2000. I don't think it's going to hit that high. It might, because the way it's pumping right now, she has left the building. She left the building. So, yeah. Or C-Trader? Yeah. I forgot about C-Trader. No, I don't use C-Trader. No. Should I open another position? No. Because now you're chasing the trade. You're chasing the move. Don't chase it. You missed it already. You missed your entry. Gold is way too far gone now to take an entry. Because if this thing retraces on you even a little bit, that's going to be insane. Okay, just wait. Wait on a pullback, wait on a retest, wait on something before, you know, you get it. Is the new strategy in the course? No. No. A tiny, tiny piece of it is, but no, it's not in there. It's because it's a different way of looking at the market. That's why. That's the only reason why. A tiny, tiny piece of it. So I took what I was taught and I made it my own thing. I flipped it around into something else and I turned it into something and to making it my own thing. So that's why it's not in there. So get your spots, guys. Apply, get your spot in so you can be in the next class. I'm trying to think if I want to do the next class this month or next month. Probably next month. Maybe May. Yeah, sometime in May I'm gonna do it. Now, some of you were asking, can I do the class during the week instead of the weekend because you have to work, you have your kids are out of school, you can't focus and things like that, which I understand. So this next class might be like on a Thursday or a Friday or Wednesday or Thursday, and it'll be during the evening time. Evening time, my time, Eastern Standard Time. Obviously not in the morning because we're trading in the morning, and then in the afternoon, you know, it's the middle of the day. So I'd rather do it in the evening time. So Charlene is teaching Spanish as a bonus. Okay, so that, I guess that's a troll, I'm assuming. Next month, please. Yeah, it'll definitely be next month. It won't be this month because we just got done with one just the other day. So it's they're too close together. So I'm gonna kind of spread it apart a little bit. So start saving up, guys. Start saving up. Put your money away. And get ready. Get ready because it's gonna be good. I'm going to revolutionize the trading market. I'm gonna start putting stuff out there that all the other people are not telling you guys. I want to see everybody win. Everybody win. You know what I mean? It's too many nuggets being hidden and not told about, you know? Holding people back. You know what I'm saying? There's plenty of money for everybody. There's plenty of room at the top for everybody. Plenty of room. All right?
If you have moderate to severe Crohn's disease,
I'm gonna come on these live streams and you guys are gonna know exactly, right? So the people that took the class, right? I told them, hey, don't say anything. I'll come on the live saying this, that. Oh, Charlene did it. No, just shh. Because you guys earned the opportunity to see the market that way. Everyone else hasn't yet, you know? So I love it. I love it. It's a Tuesday. The week just started. Woke up with a positive attitude, positive mindset, you know, and look what happened, you know. So come on, go up a little more. You can tap 1996. Come on, you know. Are you in the trade? I am not, Brandon. I closed out my trade at 30 pips. I left about 40 pips on the table this morning. I closed out at 30 pips, guys. I had myself a 6K day. That's it. Could have been a bigger day, but it is what it is. Oh, somebody in my group, my private group, said TP smashed on GJ. Let's go. TP's getting hit everywhere, guys. Let's go. Everybody winning today. Today the market said, you know what? I'm in a giving mood. Let's give to all these people today. You know? Let's go. You know how like when you're starting to learn how to trade, some people would be like, man, you know, how are all these traders winning all the time and we're all taking losses? You know, we're all losing, they're all winning. They must have a secret sauce. They must have something. That's true and that's not true. It's true and it's not true. But you know what the one constant is? The one constant is chart time. Because I don't care what pair you trade, how big your account is, how many courses you took, how many mentors you have, it doesn't matter. The one constant is chart time. No matter what you're taught, guys, you have to get on the charts and practice. You have to get on the charts and study. You have to. And guess what? All of those big boy traders that are winning, myself, all of us out there, that's the one thing we all have in common. We did not cheat the game. The way that you give yourself an edge in the market and you see things that other people may not see is you study until there's no end. You put in that chart time as much as possible, because I promise you, the more chart time you put in, your eyes will start to see things that you did not see before. I'm telling you, I had lunch with a friend yesterday. And she was telling me that she was studying for this big exam. And she said she studied this one portion like 3 times, right? And she went back and studied it a 4th time. And she saw things and read things that she didn't even realize the first few times. And she had already read it a few times. And it's like, how did I miss that? How did I not see that? So the more you study, the more repetition you give yourself, you start seeing patterns. You start seeing levels that you didn't see before. You start seeing zones that you didn't see before. All these things start coming to light. And then you start having this epiphany, this aha moment. And then I'm telling you guys, out of nowhere, everything is going to start coming together for you. Everything is going to start coming together. And then at that point, you're going to have it down. And all you got to do is get your psychology down. Make sure you don't get greedy. You don't over leverage. Make sure you're not trading when you got a lot going on your mind. You're stressed out. You're whatever, kids, husband, job, whatever stressing you out. Make sure your mind is clear. So when you come to the charts, you can be disciplined. You can wait for your confirmations. You can put your confluences together. All those things matter, guys. Okay? But study. Those of you that are going to take this next class, study. It's not you don't look at it and it's 1, 2, 3, you got it. You still got to put in that time. You still got to practice. You still got to back test. You know what I'm saying? All those things still matter. So in that sense, yes, that is the magic pill that all of us have in common. We all put in that study time and that work, and now we're reaping the benefits, and you guys can reap them also. Okay, take advantage of your mentorships. Take advantage, invest in education, invest in in-person classes, invest in courses, invest in boot camps. I'm not a fan of algos, AIs and stuff, because those don't really teach you how to trade. They just show you a cheat sheet or whatever, and they don't really last. So I don't care for those things. But if someone is offering you a chance to get education, to get more knowledge, to gain off of them, invest in it, guys. I'm telling you, it's the best thing you'll ever do. You're investing in yourself. Okay, I always like to say to look at trading like it's like a college course, right? Why do we go to college? We don't go to college because it's fun, because we want to. You go because you need that degree so you can get that job that you want. So you pay for your classes, you do your exam, you study, you write your papers, you do everything you got to do. You get up early to go to class, you do your dissertations, you do your, all that stuff, just so you can graduate and use that certificate that they give you to say, here, now I paid for this, I put in the work, I studied, I understand how to do this job. This is what's saying, give me this job. Same thing with trading. You invest in courses, you invest in mentorship, you study, you write your papers, and then you say to the market, hey, I put in my chart time, give me my money. Give me this job. You know what I mean? You gotta look at it from that point of view. Okay, guys? Trading is not easy, and it's not for everybody. I'll tell you right now, some of you will not last. It's just the cold, hard truth. Many of you won't last because it's hard. It's hard. It's not for the weak. It is very hard being successful. That's why more people aren't. But the ones that really want it, the ones that really put the time, put the effort, have the heart and will to go for what they want in life, those are the people that are going to get the things they want out of life. That's period, point blank. You know what I mean? So that's my spill for the day. Look at all these people over here winning trades. I wish I could show you guys this chat. This is a private chat that I had with my class members, and they're all excited right now. They're all excited right now. they're all seeing the market so differently and winning trades. Did I divorce AUD? Everyone keeps asking me that. No, I didn't divorce. It's you guys. If you guys watch my live streams, you know I take whatever pair gives me the setup first. If I see the perfect setup if I saw it on AU, I would have took it on AU. AU, what did I say about AU? AU didn't come down deep enough for me. AU, if I would have taken a buy in here, where's my stop loss? Here, that's not enough for me. It's not enough. It would need to be somewhere down here for me to feel comfortable. This would have to be a deep enough drop. This low is not that far away from that low. You know what I mean? So it's not a really lower low, you know? So I just didn't feel comfortable taking AU compared to gold. Sometimes I take AU and what? Gold takes off. Sometimes I take gold and AU takes off. So sometimes it's just the luck of the draw. But whichever pair gives me the setup that I'm looking for and my entry confirmations happen first, that's the one that I'm taking. Okay, guys? So I hope that helps. I don't know if the markets are going to move much until news because it's 9 o'clock now. I mean, gold made a big drop, a big push, a big retracement back up. I think the next move is going to come. I think the next move is going to come around news time. I think it's going to come around news. Trading is a skill, and like any skill, you have to put in the time to get better. 10,000 hours. Absolutely. 100%. You are so dope. Thank you. So are you. TP Tuesday. yes. I love it. TP Tuesday. Love it. Education is the best legacy forever and now. And yeah, guys, it is. This is the one thing, the one skill that you can have that no one can ever take away from you. No one can ever take it away from you. Like, you're never gonna be broke again with this skill. Never. You should never have money problems in your life if you have a skill like this. You shouldn't. Even if you don't have the money, go get a funded account. Right? And if you don't have the money for a funded account, start small. Because again, it doesn't matter what size account you have. If you have the skill, you can grow your money. You can grow your money. You can take $100, $200, $300 and grow it. It might take you a little longer because you got to be careful with that. It's a very small account, but it's not impossible. It can be done. You know what I mean? You all are here for a reason. This is very possible, guys. I'm not a genius. I'm not the sharpest tool in the shed sometimes. But I put in the work and now I can do this. You know what I mean? Just put in the work. Just study. Okay? Follow my lead. I got you guys. If no one else has you, I got you. Okay? Even if you missed this trade today, you didn't lose anything. You know why? Because you still learned. You can come back to this live stream later today or tomorrow or next week and rewatch it and learn something. And guess what? Gold is going to do this same thing all over again. I promise you, this exact setup, this push here, it's going to do it again. This push here, it's going to do it again. And now you're learning from me. So your eyes are going to be trained to see certain things. Some of you are taking notes. Some of you are recording. Some of you are actually absorbing this information. So guess what? Your brain is going to remember that. It's going to remember that. I don't know if you guys have ever seen the movie Limitless, right? With Bradley Cooper. I love that movie. I love that movie. Every time I see it on TV, I watch a little bit of it. So how do I sign up for your course? All the links are in the description box. Description box, guys, and the secret strategy waitlist is pinned to the chat. Okay? So in the movie Limitless, if you guys have never seen it, it's a movie about this guy who gets a pill from an old relative of his, and the pill, like, I don't really know how to explain it, but it unlocks portions of your brain of information that you've developed throughout your entire life. Like, it makes you like super smart, basically. You know, unlocks different things in your brain, classes that you've taken, books that you've read, all that stuff, and it like 10x's that information. And it pushes you to be like, it makes you into like the best version of yourself. It makes you into this like god of a person of yourself. You know everything, you know languages, you can read stuff, you're, you know, this and that. And what's funny, which I love, which is probably why I love this movie. In the movie, he has, I think it's like $800 that he gets to his name, and he takes it and he flips the money and makes himself a bunch of money. And the market that they show him trading is Forex. They show him trading Forex on it. They don't say it, but if you look at the screen that he's looking at currency pairs, and he's trading those currency pairs. But in the movie, he's talking about it as if they're options. He's talking about companies and mergers and this and that. But what he's looking at are currencies. So I noticed that, and I was like, oh, that's dope. That's dope. So yeah, if you've never seen that movie, go see it. Go see it. It's a good movie. It's old though. It came out a couple years ago, but it's a good movie. I think you guys should see it. But yeah, it's awesome. And I like those movies. I like financial movies. I like the Big Short, Full Margin, Wolf of Wall Street. What else? All those movies. I love all those financial movies. I love them. They make them so good, so entertaining. They put the right actors in them. The Big Short, you guys should watch that, because that has a lot to do with the financial crisis of 2008. The way the banks, were screwing people over with their mortgages and all that. Definitely watch that, because it's based on a true story. There's a guy who actually predicted that was going to happen, who saw it coming, and they call it the Big Short because he actually bet that was going to happen. He bet against the market, and he made a ton of money. He made a ton of money for himself and for his investors, because I think he was an asset manager at the time, and he bet on it happening, but it was a couple years ahead. So people were doubting him. I think he almost got fired because he was holding these shorts that he was taking against the market, but the shorts weren't coming yet. The market was still fire strong. People buying houses they can't afford, taking out all types of stuff. And he was like, no, it's going to crash. It's going to crash. I'm telling you, it's going to crash. And nobody listened to him. And when that thing crashed, he was sitting back like yes, I knew this was going to happen. He sat back like a fat cat. And I don't remember how much he made, but they said it at the end of the movie, how much he made. And I was like, wow. It was crazy. It was crazy. It was as if the market was pushing and he had a sell stop, right here, just waiting. Let the market fly as high as it wants to. But when it crashes, it's going to crash to the depths of hell. And I think he just had his pending order just sitting there waiting. And he waited for a couple years. The name of that movie is called The Big Short. Boiler Room, yes. Boiler Room is another one. I love Boiler Room. I love that movie. That's a good one too, Boiler Room. And that one is out of New York. I'm a New Yorker, so I love it. I actually have that movie on DVD. I have a lot of those movies on DVD. I love all those movies. Yeah, Boiler Room was good. Yeah. Yeah, it's called The Big Short. The Big Short. It's a good movie. There's one called Margin Call. Margin Call is a little vague though. That one doesn't really say that much. Margin Call is more about how the big executives in the companies, how much of a shark they are. They will sell you a bill of goods that they know is crap just to save their own selves and to save the good of the company. It shows you how cutthroat, how ruthless those big banks, those big institutions, they only care about their bottom line. They don't care about the little guy. If I know, it's like this, right? It's like I sell you something, I sell you a course, and I say, yo, buy this from me. This is awesome. This is great. This is going to do awesome for you. Buy it. Deep down, I know it's a bunch of crap. I know I'm really selling you baby pips. I'm selling you baby pips. I know it's baby pips. I know it's nonsense, but I'm telling you it's great. That's what they do up there. Those executives up there, they were telling their people, yo, I don't care what it takes. I don't care what you got to say. Get rid of it. Sell it and get rid of it so we can be okay at the end of the day. And I'm like, wow. I was like, wow. So it's a lot of those movies, there's a lot of fiction in them, but I think a lot of that comes from real stuff. I think it does. So good stuff, good stuff. What about The Pursuit of Happiness? That's an excellent movie. It's one of my favorite movies, but it's not a financial market movie. So it's more of a motivational story type deal. I think you're talking about Michael Berry. Yes, I'm talking about Michael Berry. Yes. I'm talking about him. And I watched the interview with him once, I think on YouTube, where they were asking him, like, how did he know? How did he know that was going to happen? And he kept going around the question. Like, he wouldn't give him a straight answer. Like, he said all this stuff that made no sense. I was like, you know what? All right. I don't know what whatever he knew, he wasn't telling people. He wasn't saying nothing. So, which is probably smart on his end. You know, he probably had some inside knowledge, or he had something, whatever it is. I don't know. It was 9.1 billion in profit. Oh my God. 9.1 billion with a B. Oh, oh my God. Woo. Talk about generational wealth. Whew. 9.1 billion. That's like gold is shooting up here and putting like 100,000 lot size down here. 100,000 lot sell stop right here and watching it just melt. That's what that is. Oh man, too funny. I like that you guys are familiar with these though. These tell me I'm not by myself here. You guys know your stuff. This is good. This is good. 9.1 billion. Woo. Jerry and Marge Go Large is the best movie too. Jerry and Marge Go Large. Let's see here. Let's see. Jerry and Marge Go Large. Based on a true story about a long married couple who win the lottery and use the money to revive their small town. I don't know if that's a financial movie. That doesn't sound like one to me. It doesn't sound like that to me. He literally looked at every mortgage-backed security in the US. Wow. Wow. Yeah, that's incredible. I love the show Billions. I used to watch that show too. I used to watch it too, but then it started going other places. Like, I don't know, the storyline started getting weird. That's why I stopped watching it. I was like, what are they talking about right now? Like, the storyline got crazy. They started talking about crazy stuff, and then on top of that, they would drag things out for long periods of time. I didn't like that. So I don't know. I don't know. I didn't like that show too much. I love the beginning of it. It caught me in the beginning, but they didn't keep me. It couldn't keep my attention. So watch Inside Job. I saw Inside Job, yes, and Too Big to Fail. Too Big to Fail. Was that on Netflix? Because I tried to find that and I couldn't find it. I tried to find that, I couldn't find it. Too Big to Fail. I think that was on Netflix. Too Big to Fail. Yeah, I tried to find it on Netflix. It wasn't on there. I don't know where I could find it to watch. I want to watch that. HBO Films. There's two different Too Big to Fail. I think there's one on Netflix, or was on Netflix, and then this is probably another one. But yeah. And you guys should watch the Bernie Madoff documentary on Netflix too. I think it's still on there. That whole thing just intrigued me. The whole Bernie Madoff thing, I love stuff like that. Gold will fall, man, because the X is increasing. Well, let's see. Let's go to the 4 hour here. Let's see. Well, we're still bearish, right? Structure is bearish. We've retested this drop down here. So yes, I would not be surprised if gold was to come tumbling on down. However, we do have this big rejection here off this demand down here. Big rejection. So who knows? Got news in Oh wow, look at that. AUD melted. It didn't even push up like gold. AUD dropped. Wow, look at that. See what I mean, guys? I did not want to take buys here. It wasn't, it's not a good buy. It would not have been a good buy. I would have got smacked. I would have got smacked on this trade. Market is still pumping bearish here. Crazy. And how long did it take? This was a 15-minute candle, 9 o'clock drop. It played around up here, and then 9 o'clock, it just melted. What did US30 do? US30 coming down too. But I think US30 is gonna hold this area here. I think it's gonna hold. I think it's gonna hold. All right, guys. Good session. Good session today. This is good stuff. This is good stuff. Industry and Succession are really good too. Yes, that is good. I did see that. Billions was getting my attention, but not good after the first season. See what I'm saying? Yeah. See, I wasn't the only one. I wasn't the only one. Undercover Billionaire is a good show too. Oh. Undercover Billionaire? Undercover Billionaire. Let's see. You guys are putting me on here. How does it know what I'm going to say before I say it? Is my computer listening to me too? Everything I've typed in, guys, I didn't even have to finish typing it. It just pops up. Computers are low-key dry snitching. Glenn Stearns has 90 days to build a $1 million business from scratch with only $100 in his pocket. What? Heck yeah, I want to see this. What? Oh, I remember this show. Yeah, I saw the first season, and it took forever to come out with the second one. Yes. New season January 6th. Oh yeah, I'm definitely watching this. Shows like this, guys, Shark Tank, all these shows, they really teach you a lot about finances. They really show you like the things that you wouldn't know from anywhere else. They show you those things. They teach you those things, you know? Definitely gonna be watching season 2. I was wondering, I used to watch season 1 and they took forever with season 2. That's why I forgot about it. Yeah. I'm in AU sales, good profit, good stuff. GJ, please. I don't trade GJ. Thank you for everything from Barbados. You're so welcome. You're so welcome. Let me see here. Guys, don't forget to tag me in your stuff if you post anything on Instagram, guys, so I can repost. Everybody's getting reposted. Everybody's getting reposted. As always. I am hungry. I am hungry. I'm not taking this trade, guys. I'm not taking this trade. I am not trading before news. Just an FYI. I am not trading before news. This is a paper trade. I repeat, this is a paper trade.
Just 15 minutes.
I wish this would have tapped into this area some more. I wish this would have went whoop and then up there. That would have been the play there. So it may still do that. We still have time. Still have time. Price to go whoop. Yeah. That's what I'd like to see. But the safe buys are here. Now, let's see if what AU is going to do inside this area here. AU played footsie wootsy over here for a second inside this 1 hour candle and then decided to melt. So let's see. Please, Charlene, how do we avoid news? You just don't trade. You don't trade. Don't trade, that's it. What time is news? News is in 10 o'clock, 10 minutes. 10 a.m. Boom, right there. 10 o'clock. Okay. Please show again your strategy, how to put the lines. Why do you keep asking if I'm from Panama? No. Where do you get these YouTube music that they keep copywriting me for? They keep copywriting me, but it's YouTube music. I don't get it. Makes no sense. Charlene, you're a good vibe today. Love it. Many blessings. Oh, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. You guys lift me up too. You guys pull me out of my funk sometimes too. You know, I love you guys just the same. So thank you guys as well, man. Thank you, all of you, all of you, all of you. Thank you so much. I could have been on here with one person watching, my grandma or something, you know. But you guys wake up every day and trade with me, and trust me, and encourage me, and uplift me, and motivate me, and inspire me. If I could give the same in return, I'm good with that. I'm good with that. So thank you guys. When was your last loss? I think Thursday of last week or Wednesday. I think of last week I had a loss. I think. I don't remember. I love the people who stream their live trading sessions. Can you learn a lot? You can learn a lot from it. Can I ask what your win rate is? I don't know. I know I win a lot more than I lose. It's the best answer I could give you. Put this on charge because this thing is acting up right now. Oh, 9:30. Look at that push. Woo. Eesh. Yes. I took my eyes off for a second and it took off without me. So I'm going to miss this move here. I would have taken these. Actually, no. 9:30. News is at 10. Yeah, you could. You could take these buys here. You could. We are trying to push on US30. I'm gonna take these buys if it breaks because I think it's before news. So it's before news. So if we get a break above this area here, candle closure, not a break. I keep saying break. A candle closure above that area. last week. That was last week. Ugh.
If it weren't a drink from McDonald's, you wouldn't try this hard.
Stupid
There are
commercials.
drinks. Then there are drinks from McDonald's. Get any size McCafe iced coffee in any flavor for just $2.29. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba.
How do you draw those green and red squares? See over here where it says long position, short position? That's how you draw them. Oh. How the hell did you take a trade without confirmation? I have confirmation. I just didn't tell you what it is. You want to know what it is? Apply for the secret strategy course and I will tell you. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. That's it. God, snappy today, aren't you? Snappy, snappy. You guys won't believe how many. Nah, I'm not gonna say it. I'm not gonna say it. I ain't gonna say it. You guys don't need to know all that. I would love to learn this to pay my debt and live stress free. If I can't afford your class, 25, is there another option? Yeah, you can get my course. My course teaches you how to trade as well. Charlene, what do you type in YouTube to get these songs? This is lofi, soft lofi music. That's what I'm using basically. Yeah.
There we go. Let's see if we get a nice little drop here. It should come down. Come tumbling on down. Down goes Frazier. Charlene, are you going to update the course with the new strategy? No. A little piece of the strategy is in my course already. That was already in there. But I added a little twist to it. So there's 2 parts to it. 2 parts. Man, I have too many windows open. I don't know what's what over here. Okay, what's this here? The hell? AU still melting here. Remember guys, we got news dropping soon, so careful, careful.
your sound on with your screen off and listen uninterrupted. Try YouTube Premium on us.
I want to see what news is going to do with US30. I'm just curious. Just see. Stop loss is wherever you want it to be on gold, buddy. Whatever your level of risk is. Your stop loss for gold could be up here. You're waiting for a candle closure down here, and then you're looking to take an entry if price breaks to continue down. Your stop could be wherever you want. It could be here, above this high, above this high, above this high, or way above these highs. I would not put my stop up here. That's 100 pips. Right here, 59 pips, 30 pips. Okay, your stop is wherever you want it to go, wherever you feel it's safer. The safest stop is up here at 100 pips, which is insane. But remember, nobody should be in any trade right now because of news dropping soon. Whenever you have news coming out, the market acts stupid. So just wait. These are paper trades. I'm not in this trade. Paper trades. I said that. I said it. I repeat, I am not in this trade because news is coming out. That's it. Discipline, guys. Charlene, how are your Airbnbs doing? I lost 2 of them, but the others are fine. They are fine. With rent going up as high as it is, it's cutting into my profit margin, so it's not worth it to keep them anymore. So that's why I'm losing them right now. Rent is high as hell right now in Miami. Pain in the butt. Total pain in the butt. I don't get it. Do you recommend getting funded? Yeah. If you know if you know how to trade, yeah. Whenever people ask what's this pair, I'm not answering that question. When you ask me what time frame is this, I'm not answering that question anymore. Because I don't understand those questions. I don't understand them for the life of me. The time frames are right here. The pairs are right there. What don't you see? What don't you see? I don't know. I am not answering those questions no more. I'll call you after. I am hungry. 947. I think this news is gonna be crazy. That's what I think, because it said volatile, so I think it's gonna be volatile. Check US30. What's US30 doing? Oof. Came so close, and then we melted down. Yeah, we're gonna come down, tap into this area, and then whoop, come on back up. That's what I think. Let's see if we do that. Your live sessions are appreciated. For those of us that cannot afford the class yet, not just for the play, but for the free game, you're so welcome. Ranging gold on a 50 lot. Ouch. Is there any way to make $10 per day online to gather money for a funded account? I don't want to get a job. I can't answer that question. You don't want to get a job? I don't know what to tell you, my friend. Hey Charlene, I saw some of your workout pictures. Do you still work out? I do. I'll be in the gym today. I haven't been to the gym in the last like 4 days now, but I will definitely be going today. I'm feeling a lot better today, so I'll be at the gym today. What are you doing when you're not trading? Living my life.
Even while your screen's off or you're using other
Living
apps.
life.
Get YouTube Music Premium.
Escúchame. Escúchame. That means, do you understand? I think that means, do you understand? Yeah. What are you gonna eat? So I'm hungry right now, but when I get off the live, I probably won't be as hungry. That always happens to me. I get off, but because I don't like to work out on a full stomach. I don't have any bananas. I don't have any avocados. I don't have anything quick I could just snack on real quick. So I'm gonna tough it out. I don't like to work out. I don't like to work out after eating something. I like to work out kind of on a halfway empty stomach. So I had some salmon yesterday with some broccoli and roasted veggies a little bit before bed yesterday. So I need to be running on a little bit of that fuel for me to be at the gym. And I'm not going to do a hard workout today anyway. So it's going to be good. Guys, keep an eye on US30 for me. I just want to see if gold is going to just melt here with news. That would be incredible if it did that. I want to see if it's going to do that. Oh, yeah, we're coming down. Come on down. Down goes Frazier. Looking like a snack. Oh, thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. People must manage their risk during news. Or you could just not trade. You could release the stress of managing your trade and just not trade. That's way less stress, I think. Just saying. I think. Or you could just not trade, right? Instead of stressing yourself out during news, just don't trade news, you know? Come on down, gold. You know you want to come down. Gold is just waiting for news. It's just waiting for that green light, and then she's gonna just melt. That's what I think. She's just waiting for that green light. Someone asked me the other day, do I watch other people's live streams? Sometimes I do. You know why? I'm a student of the game. Will always be a student. I'm always looking to learn. You never know what you can learn from somebody else. Some people live stream Asian session. Some people live stream London session. You never know what you can learn from somebody else. There's always something you can learn, something you can get better at, you know? So yes, I do. I do watch other live streams. Charlie has a 95% win rate. I wish. I wish. Nobody has a 95% win rate, guys. That's almost like you never lose. Everybody loses. I wish I had a 95% win rate. What? Man, listen. Can you recommend anyone we can watch to learn from also? You can watch Raja Banks' channel. You can watch School of Price Action's channel. You can watch Official Lynn's channel. Those are kind of the only ones that I really watch, mostly know about. There's a couple other ones, but I don't consistently watch them. I just drop in if I'm bored or whatever, if they're live and I just ain't got nothing to do. But for the most part, those are the ones. I'm interested in seeing how these trades play out. I'm looking at AU is just doing its own thing right now. But US30 and gold, I'm interested in really seeing. I want to see US30 fly and I want to see gold melt. Gold is just chilling right at my zone right here. It's just chilling right there. So let's see. Are you waiting for news? I might be done trading today. I don't think I'm taking any more setups today. Because it's 10 o'clock. I'm just here with you guys. I'm just here with you guys to see news. Otherwise, I would have been off the charts already. After I took that trade yesterday, I was done. I was done. I took gold and AU yesterday. After that, that was it for me. Ayana Keys, 100% win rate. Yeah, that's a lie. Nobody has 100% win rate. You guys like to think that, but trust me, nobody, even the best traders ever, don't have 100% win rate. Nobody does. All right, 2 minutes until news. 2 minutos. People take one trade and win, talking about 100% win rate. I know, right? Yeah, you got 100% win rate if you're taking 1 pip trades. If you close out at 1 pip. All right, 1 minute. Your skin looks extremely good. Thank you. I think it's from me not eating meat. Honestly, I don't know. I didn't make any other changes. I just work out a little more and I stopped eating meat. And I do see a difference on my skin. So, thank you for that. All right, 30 seconds. Let's see. Yee. 30 seconds. If this news isn't volatile, I'll be surprised because it says it's supposed to be volatile. Oh, here we go. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, blast off. Yay! Yay! Ah, what are we doing? Aw, man. It's not volatile. It's not really doing much. All types of news conditions changing, man. What's US30 doing? Okay, we're going up on US30. All right. Well, it's moving on US30. It's moving. She going up. Today's Tuesday. It feels like a Wednesday though. Feels like a Wednesday.
Listen to Chill Hop with your stream.
Well, I don't consider this volatile, guys. Volatile is usually... Well, let me see something. CB Consumer Confidence. I have it as very volatile. Okay. The forecast was 104. Previous 104. Actual was 101. I don't know if that makes a difference, if that matters. Actual, if the actual is greater than the forecast, it's good for the currency. So if the actual is greater than the forecast, it's good for the currency, which means it is not greater. which means it is not good. Not good for the currency. Financial confidence is a leading indicator of consumer spending, which accounts for the majority of overall economic activity. This wasn't no crazy news, guys. It wasn't nothing to sneeze at. Nothing crazy. CB consumer confidence. Low volatility. That's it. Oof, gold. Are you gonna retest gold finally and then push down? I don't know. This is why you don't trade news, guys. Look at this nastiness here. This is supposed to come down. It stops in its tracks and pulls back. Don't trade news. Just wait till after, guys. Didn't hit stop or anything, but I think that, you know, who knows? It could just fly from here. Wouldn't make sense that it stops here, but who knows? You know what I mean? US30 struggling here. We almost hit TP, but did not hit. Should stay bullish though. If we stay above this area, we should remain bullish. And then what AU do? AU didn't do anything. AU just, now AU dipped into this zone and we rejected this area. Perfect. So we could get a pullback inside here, but AU's been moving mad slow, so I wouldn't trust it. Alright guys, I'm gonna take off in a little while here. I just hung around with you guys until news to see what news did. We got a nice little win today, and that was that. Let me see. They lied, it's not volatile. The last time this news came out, guys, this is from like me watching the news all year round. And every time I see it, because before I used to just see a red folder and just say, oh, it's gonna be volatile. So I just didn't trade. And sometimes it would be a red folder and it wouldn't do anything. It would be like nothing. Like I'd be like, wait, this is supposed to be something, you know, crazy. And it wasn't. So that's why I started making notes of that. You know, over time, I said, you know what? Let me start making notes of it so I know what to expect, basically. So whenever a red folder would come out, I would say, okay, good. Now, revert back to my notes. What time? I got to organize the times here because it's like the times are all over 8:30, 10. I got to put the earliest up top and latest at the bottom. I'll do that on a later date. Anyway, I started making notes, right? CPI, MM, CPI, volatile, sharp move in one direction. And I would try to make notes of what it is. Like right here, 8:30, unemployment claims, medium volatility, jerky, sharp candle movement, right? I would make notes of what I see so that I can know what to expect, right? ADP, non-farm employment change, no volatility. But the problem with this, guys, now is that it's not consistent now. Before it was, now it's not. Why? Market conditions keep on changing. Right here, CB consumer confidence, I had it as high volatility. The last time this news came out, it was all over the place. Today, it was a dud. It was a big fat goose egg today. You know, so I just adjust it as I see it, But if you always want to, you know, err on the side of caution, guys, I would just say, just don't trade news. Just wait for it to pass, even if it's nothing. Just don't trade it. And if you're already in a move, when news is about to drop, just put stops at break even or stop profit or take profit. But don't risk it if you don't have to. You know what I'm saying? Because news has been happening a lot lately throughout the weeks, but there's still opportunities. There's still plenty of opportunities to find setup. So, you know, just save yourself that stress. Okay. So that's that. That's that. US30 is dancing up here right now, and then you're whatever. So I'm gonna take off, guys. It's after 10. This was fun. We had a good session today. Thank you guys for jumping on with me today. The secret strategy class is pinned. It is pinned to the chat. So
like if you're in the mood to get your squat on.
it is pinned to the chat. So if you want to apply for the class, you're more than welcome to do that. Thank you all for being on with me today. Should be on tomorrow. I should be on tomorrow, barring anything crazy happening today. But I should be on for tomorrow. All right, guys. So thank you guys for being on. If you won, be disciplined. Don't risk your wins if you don't have to. Tomorrow's a new day with new opportunities. All right, guys. Love you guys always to the moon and back. It is your girl, Charlene FX, and I will see you guys mañana. You guys be great, and I'll see y'all later. Peace out.